See, this is so creamy, and just look at it. Wow, I just love the outcome. I just love the outcome of this cream. It's not greasy. It absorbs into the skin so easily. Just look at it, guys. Just look at it. Oh my god, just look at the glow after using this cream. Okay, so this is my hand. This is my other hand. Let me show you. This is the hand without cream, and this is a hand with a cream. Just look at the glow. Just look at the instant glow it has given me, guys. So hey beauties, welcome back to the channel and to another video. So today we are going to make cucumber cream. And we have our cucumber here already. We are going to be adding aloe vera as well. Okay, I have here my cosmetic preservative, my shea butter, my e-wax. I have here my argan oil, my vitamin E oil. I have glycerin here. I have rosehip oil. I have my perfect legs oil here. I have here my jojoba oil, which is almost finished, and I have here my coconut oil. So please sit back and watch this video to the end. I hope you are going to love it. Okay, so let's start by peeling our cucumber. So I'm just going to take a little bit of it. Okay, all right, so this is what I'm going to be using, and then it's already washed. Everything is washed. Okay, so I'm going to grate it in this mini grater of mine. All right. So now I'm going to squeeze out the juice. Okay, so this is the juice we got. So now we are going to peel off our aloe vera. Of aloe vera here. Okay, so I'm just going to put it in this blender so we can blend it. Okay, so this is my blended aloe vera, and I'm adding it to the cucumber. Okay, so I want to mix it again so everything will be here. Is the outcome of our mixture of cucumber juice and aloe vera. Lest I forget, cucumber helps cleanse the skin and tighten pores, and also helps reduce breakout. Okay, so right now we are going to mix our oils as well. So I want to measure. I'm not making a large quantity, just a small quantity for myself. Okay, so all right, so I'm going to put in my shea butter. Okay, all right. Okay, so now we have 16 grams of shea butter here, and let's measure our coconut oil. So we have about 20 grams of coconut oil mixed with this. Okay, so we are going to go in for our e-wax. Okay, so we have 10 grams of e-wax. Now let's go and do our double boiler method. So this is how we are doing our double boiler method. We want the temperatures to be equal, if not it will not mix properly. So that's why I've placed the cucumber and the aloe vera in there, and then we have our shea butter oil and e-wax there. Okay, so the only reason why we are doing this is just to get the temperature equal. All right. Okay, so our e-wax and shea butter with the oil is mixed. It's mixed. Okay, so what we are going to do now is, this bowl is very small. I'm just going to transfer it here. Okay, then I'm going to add I just added the cucumber and aloe vera, okay, together. So this is very hot, and I'm just going to wait it until it cools down. So this is how our cream is looking now. So we are going to add our ingredient to it. Okay, so let's go in for our glycerin. Okay, just half teaspoon. We go in for our vitamin E oil. You can use the capsules if you have. Okay, okay, so this is not up to half. This is our rosehip oil, which I'm going to leave every ingredient I use in the each benefit in the description box. Okay, so I'm using jojoba oil, which is also good for the skin. Just a little drop. Then I'm going to be using this perfect legs oil. Wow. Okay, so I'm now going to add in my argan oil, just a few drops. Okay, I'm going to add in my cosmetic preservative. Okay, so guys, this is our lotion. The last is our perfume. So this is organic perfume with a mixture of 3 perfumes. Okay, just to make this smell so good. You see guys, so this is our lotion, so creamy. Okay, so I'm going to transfer this lotion into this beautiful bottle. Okay, but before that we need to sanitize it, or probably we use hot water to rinse it. Okay, So I'm just doing this just to bring out the alcohol. All right. Okay, so this is our lotion, looking all creamy and nice. Okay, so let's try it on our hand and see how it's going to turn out. Okay, see, this is so creamy, and just look at it. Wow, I just love the outcome. I just love the outcome of this cream. It's not greasy. It absorbs into the skin so easily. Just look at it, guys. Just look at it. Oh my god, just look at the glow after using this cream. Okay, so this is my hand. This is my other hand. Let me show you. This is the hand without cream, and this is a hand with a cream. Just look at the glow. Just look at the instant glow it has given me, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Please do well to share this video with friends and family, and do not forget to like. It's going to help the video a lot. Okay, so catch you in my next video. Bye bye.